Hey, what's going on? This is Reed, aka Carnivore Chef, and this is my week 7 update for the 8-week cut that I'm doing. Right now, some progress pictures should be floating by, and I should be checking those out. I've got to say, it's been real weird doing the last couple of these because I feel like, especially in the last two, I haven't had too much progress with what I'm doing. But I'm very disappointed making these videos no matter what, and what sucks is the fact that since I don't see progress, what I really want to do is just not make these videos. It's kind of embarrassing to see your failures, especially talk about them the next week, every single week while you're doing this. I'm happy that I'm doing it because it really shows you where your goals lie and how easy it is to fall off no matter what. If this is a daily vlog, it might be a little bit easier, but I'm not gonna do that. This week was better than before, even though it feels like it wasn't a great week for me, but it really was. I had a crazy amount of work this week, and just the sheer amount of that kind of made me believe that I wasn't having a good week with my workouts or my diet or anything like that. But looking back at it, I really didn't fall off, but maybe like one or two times. They weren't even like major setbacks or anything. It was just like I might have eaten something that I shouldn't have eaten, or I skipped doing an arm routine where I really wanted to, but just because I was short on time during my workout, So those things didn't really make me feel like that. I think what made me feel like it was a bad week was just the fact that I spent very little time to myself and most of my time working. I guess it just happens that way. Even if I wasn't doing this job, I'm sure I'd feel that way a lot of the time with any other job. Just because I have these other goals I don't want to hit, and it's just a lot to do within also working, 50 to 70 hours in a week. Which, working so much, I felt pretty damn exhausted most of the time. So I will say that I am proud of myself for making myself get things done, like going to the gym and eating the right foods most of the time. I may not have been prepared the whole time with my food, but and for whatever reason, I just kind of gravitated towards the good things anyways. Like, I ate a lot of hamburger patties during work this week because we had a catering gig for 350 people, and we had some leftover burgers. So if I was hungry, I'd just grab one of those. I wasn't even thinking about it. It was sheer convenience at that point. And luckily for me, it's convenience for something that I can have with ease. But yeah, like I said, training was on point for the most part as well, other than some workouts that I wish I would have done, included with my normal strong list workout, which the workouts that I do, I add supersets of arms typically, and then I'll do my weak ass pull-ups at the end. But running low on time, I really didn't have the ability to do that, so I just do like my normal workout plus pull-ups, or my normal workout or plus arms, and not do both because I did have one day where I was able to do everything I wanted to, but that's not what I want. I have these other goals that I want to do in the gym, and they're kind of hard to hit when you're running short on time. So if that happens, I'm just happy I got in there and I got it done. And I guess I'd say I'd hit some PRs, but these are not PRs for me in my lifetime. These are just PRs for me from this year, starting back from scratch. So my squat finally hit 225. I've been waiting to hit 2 plates on my squat forever, it feels like, even though I've only been lifting again since the middle of February. My bench is up to 175. My deadlift is up to 250. Obviously not a great total if you're talking powerlifting or anything like that, but I'm happy with it because I went from 0 to this in such a short amount of time, and I've had very little stall time to deal with because I guess muscle memory has been helping me out. But anyways, as I come into this last week of this 8-week cut, my macros are going to change from 50% protein to 50% fat. I'm still not too sure why that is. I just follow the program, and it seems to do what it does. If any of you have any suggestions for like a cutting routine that you like or think I should try, you should please leave it in the comments below. I like trying new things. I've really just been following the same cutting plan, and I doubled it basically for this time around, and I could use anything new and interesting. I know science is science, but I know there are variations on everything. So if you have anything you like and you think I should try, please leave it in the comments and I will check it out. But yeah, that's the video. Another short and sweet one. If you like the video, please leave it a like. And if you want to see more, please consider subscribing. And I will see y'all in the next one.